Hello everyone, this is Aditya back again with another video. In the last video, we have already discussed about the stack navigations. In this video, we are going to implement tab navigation, and after that, we will move forward. But for now, we'll just focus on the tab navigation. So let's see how the tab navigation works in React navigation. So for this, we need to uh, install this dependency, and after that, we are going to move forward and it seems like the process is gonna remain same. So yeah, so let's see, and um, first of all, let's install this dependency. Uh, like now, we have just some simple code where we have home screen, and this is our home, and I've done all the things in this file only, the routes.txt, and in the app.txt we basically have just routes, and it is rendering all the routes. Yeah, so to install this, we are need to, I think I'm gonna need to stop the server, or let's do it this way. Hope we don't have to stop the server. Um, if we are going to stop the servers, it might take some time for us to start emulator again, so which I really don't want. So which is this folder? I guess tutorial. Oh, there's no tutorial. Yeah, there's. Let's install this dependency. Okay, I think we're gonna need to restart our server. Yeah, we're gonna need to start our server. Let's do that. Okay, so that. So this is gonna take some time, I guess, and after that, we're good to go. So we can launch this in Android emulator by pressing A or keyboard. Okay, to press this. This was pretty fast, I guess. Yeah. Usually, when I start the first time, it takes more time than before. I know what I'm saying. Okay. Now we are good to go. So for tab navigation, we are gonna import our tab first. Okay, if I can try to import. We create tab navigations, and let's create a component for tab that const app tab. You can name it anything. I just found it much easier to do. just okay. So first of all, let's initialize our tab, bottom tab navigation. The tab navigation, we are going to have the say bottom. Do we need to create this again, or we just good to go with this one? I'm really not sure about this. We will figure out. Let's create some of the tabs. Let's create a search one. Let's copy this. Okay. This is search. Okay. Yes. Search screen. We're gonna add this search screen here. So name will be search, component is going to be search as well, and we need to connect this one to here. And let's remove this one from here. We're gonna add home screen in tab as well. So let's save this, see what's going to happen here. Okay, I don't see any changes. Yes, there should be some changes. Let's refresh this one. Okay, so here it is. We can go to tab, home screen, search screen. It's cool. We can add icons as well. For that, let's see the talks. I think there's a lot of way to do this. So one of the way is to just go to options and it tab bar icons, and it just will return a JSX component. This will return a function, so we can add here icons. And but there is another way as well, which I haven't tried it, and which we should learn because that's the more efficient way of doing this. So I think that would be like this one. I haven't tried this yet. I'm new to this as well, so yeah, it's pretty okay. Screen options. Let's see how they did. Okay. Tab icons. This will take color and size. Okay. Let icon name. I'm just copying this so that I can figure out in a better way. I could have just copied and pasted it, but I think typing it on your on hand is much better than, and it's just I feel it's much better to do that. So if it's home, then we are going to icon name. Okay, focused, and let's bring some icons. We're going to import icons from expo. What? There is a package for vector icons, I guess. Yeah, right. Feeder as icon. Let's have the icon name and is there an icon name home at feeder.com? Let's see. Oh, yeah, here it is, home. So we can use this one, or if the name is not home, and then definitely it is. What is the other name? Is search. Okay, so there must be a search as well. Yeah, there it is. So I'm talking about this one, inform cycle and focused icon name. Then let it be. Just a second, we will look into it. So let's do out this one. We will make changes if we need. A name, and after this we're gonna return icon. Sorry. And size will be size. And the color would be color. Okay, this will be the color we can assign, or whatever it is. I'm not getting name because shout dot. Oh, okay. Thought I might be missing something here. And that one is fixed, and this one. Why is this one undefined? This is string. Yeah, okay. By default, it is grabbing these two colors, and this default primary color, I guess. Yeah, so we can change this color as well. Is before being assigned variable icon is used before being assigned. Okay, I'm not sure how to fix this. I'm new to TypeScript actually, so yeah, I have still troubles with TypeScript. See how these two works. Okay, yeah, that's cool. It's working perfectly fine. So this is how we are going to implement tabs in our React Native app. One thing for sure I don't like is this elevation here. You can definitely customize this in a later video. And okay, this is it from this video. In the next video, we are going to move further, and I have no plan what we are going to do in the next video. So stay tuned. If you like the video, consider subscribing. Thank you.